Installing a new generation heat pump water heater is one of the smartest financial decisions you could make this year. AmbiPower 280e heat pump is a smart, high-efficiency water heater with an environmentally friendly ultra-low GWP refrigerant. It's designed and developed for New Zealand conditions to provide continuous renewable hot water for medium to large families and homes. AmbiPower is an ideal upgrade from a more traditional electric or gas water heater. Unlike traditional water heaters, AmbiPower utilises a highly efficient integrated heat pump, along with advanced wraparound micro-channel heat exchanger technology to provide reliable, efficient and sustainable water heating. This innovative system extracts heat from the surrounding air, allowing it to work during the day or night without relying on sunlight. AmbiPower 280e is a new generation of heat pump that uses a highly efficient R290 refrigerant with an ultra-low GWP of 3 for reduced impact on global warming and climate change. The global warming potential of a refrigerant gas measures its impact on global warming. Historically, heat pump water heaters have utilised several high GWP refrigerants, each capable of significantly impacting the environment. The lower the GWP of a refrigerant used in a heat pump, the more environmentally friendly it is. The coefficient of performance for a heat pump is the ratio between how much useful heat is produced for water heating and the electrical energy input into the water heater. The higher the COP number, the more efficient the heat pump. AmbiPower 280e boasts a high COP rating of 5.2. This means that for every kilowatt of energy required to power the heat pump, around 5 kilowatts of energy is transferred into the water to heat it. This efficient and sustainable system results in substantially less electricity used to heat the water and significantly lower hot water energy consumption when compared to traditional electric water heaters. With its integrated heat pump design and large storage tank capacity, AmbiPower 280e has a high heating capacity, enough for up to 6 people. AmbiPower's high recovery rate delivers reliable hot water when needed, even during periods of high demand. A 2.4 kilowatt electric boost element ensures hot water even if the ambient air temperature falls outside of the heat pump's operating range, like when the temperature drops below -6 degrees C or in the event of a fault with the heat pump. Installing a Rheem AmbiPower 280e could save you over 70% on your water heating energy consumption, compared with a similar-sized electric water heater. Rheem AmbiPower has a wide operating range, from -6 degrees C up to 43 degrees C, making it suitable for installation in all regions. It also has a built-in frost protection system to keep the water heater running, even in frosty conditions. The LED touchscreen control panel provides optimum visibility and user-friendly operation, and includes a timer function to optimize time of day usage. The storage cylinder is lined with a tough, vitreous enamel coating, which makes it suitable for most water conditions. AmbiPower is built to withstand New Zealand's weather conditions, and the side fan design provides maximum airflow while protecting the heat pump from rain. AmbiPower has a small footprint, making it a great replacement for a similar-sized electric water heater. It's easy to install, and in some situations, it can use the same connections as your existing water heater. Designed and developed for New Zealand conditions, AmbiPower comes with a 7-year cylinder warranty, backed by Rheem, New Zealand's most trusted name in hot water, for over 60 years. Visit the Rheem website for more information or call us on 0800 657 336. For hot water that comes on steady, hot and strong, install a Rheem.